welcome to my channel. So, iconic music videos, we are bringing them back. You know what, YouTube wasn't as popular when these music videos were out, so people weren't really doing tutorials on these. I'm sure there are a few tutorials on Christina looks and whatnot, but I had to do my own because when I was younger, I absolutely loved this music video. Let me just tell you, I watched it so many times. I loved her back to basics whole thing going on. I felt like that was Christina's best time, in my opinion, was her back to basics album. And this will not be the only look that I will do. Yes, they are all very similar, but the type of styles that she had going on was different. So that's definitely what I want to touch up on. But yeah, so I am a platinum blonde right now. I chose the platinum blonde one because she wore that iconic look throughout the entire video. This entire look would not be possible without FESHFEN, which is the wig company that let me have this gorgeous wig for this video. I am so excited to talk about this wig because it was perfect for the look. I spent so long trying to create this look, and I did have like a similar Marilyn wig, but it just wasn't right. It wasn't long enough. It didn't have that bounce that I was looking for, and synthetic wigs are very hard to curl like this. So I was really excited to find this one on FESHFEN.com. I always look forward to my FESHFEN packages because they come in this really nice packaging right here. And also what comes inside of this box is they're very generous. They give you a comb, a wig cap, and also sometimes a little gift like scented lavender. And in my case, I got a cute Christmas necklace. Not sure they do that with all packages, but for most of the packages that I've ever ordered from, they did have something like that. With a wig cap is just a gift enough for me, so I was really happy to receive that. So I'm going to show you guys how this wig looks like and show you how I styled it before we get into the tutorial. So I look really funny right now because I just took my hat off, but right now I'm just going to go over a few little details really quickly. And this wig is, I'm reading it off my phone. This is how it looks like. Oh, my phone's too dim, but I will show it on the screen grab. This is a blonde short wavy synthetic lace front wig, 180% density, and it is a body wave wig. Right now it's on sale for $80, and I do have a coupon code, which is Nicole, so you guys can use that to get some money off of your purchase. And this wig right here is heat resistant, but do not wash this wig in hot water and don't dye it because this wig will not be able to take that. Now that I went over a few details, let's style it, and I can show you guys how I created some of my Christina looks. So this is how it looks right now, and this is already very Christina. That is exactly why I like and got this wig, and it's going to work exceptionally well for other looks that I have in mind. Right now I have it parted off to the side so I can create that cute 1940s vintage type of swing look. Right now I think the only thing that's not working for me are my eyebrows, so that's really bad, but because they're so dark I can't get them lighter, guys. When I bleach them I look crazy. I'm sorry about the brows. Let's zoom in to the hairline. So this is how the hairline looks. I got a little oopsie right there, a little bit of makeup, so you guys want to be careful with that because it can stain the wig. And also just one flaw is this wig, if you're not wearing a light color wig cap, you will be able to see through with it, but it does sit on my hair pretty well. Right now I don't have any lace glue. I did put some over here, but I didn't put a lot, so it's kind of coming up. So it's kind of how it looks. It has 3 hooks, and they're all on the top right here, and an adjustable strap at the bottom. I kind of don't like when wigs don't have hooks at the bottom too, because I feel like it's easy to come off. But this works just for my cosplay purposes. And the length is really cute. It looks like it's about 14 inches long, and this is how it looks like. So if you are a pinup fanatic, or if you're really into vintage type of looks, this is gonna work really well with you. I think that you guys want to see this look, so just keep watching so you guys can learn how to get this look. Okay guys, so the very first step to this is just getting a good full coverage foundation, and then you can bronze up your skin later because Christina's skin was nice and tanned in this music video, or they had a heavy saturation on the music video causing her skin to look more tan than usual. So just
stick to a full coverage foundation, and we'll add the bronzer in a little bit later. Then I'm just taking my Maybelline concealer right here to hide any other imperfections, because she looked like a pinup doll, obviously, a pinup poster girl. So you want to make everything look nice and perfect. So then I'm going to take my Fenty powder in Universal, and this really mattifies my skin. You want to make sure that it's really matte and well set. So then I am just going to finish off setting my face, and once I am done with that, I'm going to be moving on. I'm going to just take my Hoola bronzer, and this right here is what's going to bronze up my face a little bit, and I'm carving up my cheekbones. I did a more circular motion on my cheekbones to make my cheeks look rounder. Then I'm taking this blush by Too Faced called Très Fab, and it's a nice pinky blush, perfect for that 1940s pinup look. Then with a white eyeshadow and some Too Faced Shadow Insurance, I'm going to set my eyes and create a base. So once I am done priming my eyelids, I'm going to just take this white eyeshadow and place it heavily on my brow bone and also on my lid. Now that when you use colors like this, it's going to be easy to create a cut crease or any type of vintage classic look. So I am building it up on my brow bone area and then moving on to my lids. So just feel free to blend that out. Like I said, I'm packing this on. I'm going to be doing a slight cut crease in a little bit. So just pack that on both eyes in like a dome shaped effect, and then yeah, it'll look nice once you blend it out. So of course, repeat the same steps. Mostly taupe. So I just use this eyeshadow first to create my carving of the dome cut crease. And what this does is just, it's going to add warmth to my crease, because later I'm going to be going in with a taupe color, because her eyeshadow was very neutral. It wasn't too warm. I just saw some blended in warm eyeshadow. So that's why I'm starting with this color. You can totally skip this step and just go with the taupe color, but I really thought this was necessary to create that warmth. Or what you could do is just use the taupe color and place just a little bit of a warm shade to blend it out, and you could also do that too. I actually put in more work for it, but I like the way it turned out in the end. And what I did notice is these eyeshadows take forever to blend out, but when they do, they look gorgeous. So yes, you're gonna spend a while blending out that eyeshadow just so it can look nice and diffused, but it does take forever, but it looks nice. Then I'm taking this color called Rendezvous, and it's a taupe shade, and I'm placing it over the warm brown shade. So this is going to create depth and also give us that pinup vintage look that we're going for, that Christina kind of had going on. This isn't going to be identical, obviously. I've done a few different steps, but anyways, also make sure that you're touching up that white eyeshadow so we don't lose that cut crease. And keep deepening up that dome shape with that taupe eyeshadow. This is when you're really going to want to focus on the taupe. And now as you can see, the burnt brown shade, or the brown shade, is just in the background now, and it's not sealing the spotlight. And that's what I wanted. I just wanted a warm shade in my crease so you could see it underneath a little bit. Now we're going to line the top waterline, well, not the waterline, but the top lash line with a black eyeliner, and just create a fat wing. Don't extend it out too much. She didn't have a huge cat eye. She just had a simple vintage wing, and repeat the same step on the other eye. And then I'm just fixating up with a smaller pen liquid eyeliner brush, because that other one I had is kind of fat and it was not creating what I wanted. But now we're taking some lashes. I'm just using these Ardell lashes, and I didn't feel like she had really huge lashes, so that's why these are perfect, because they're just nice and wispy and they flare at the ends, which is what we're going for. So once you're done coating your lashes with mascara, just feel free to stick on those lashes. You can skip this step too if you want. This is just an extra step. So I am just placing on my lashes, and then when my lashes are drying, I'm going to move on, but also put some mascara. Taking Cherry Lip Liner by MAC, I'm going to line my lips. My camera died at this point, so it's just going to show it cut off in a second, so you don't see me line my lower lip. But now mixing Lady Danger and Russian Red together, you're gonna get that really bright pinup red lip, and it is nice and matte. You can add a gloss if you want, but I chose not to. So as you can tell, our lips are nice and bright, and that completes the Christina Candyman look. I love you guys, and I will see you soon.
Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Like always, I will be leaving everything linked down below with the coupon code just in case you're interested in any of these wigs. And FESHFEN has a variety of wigs all over their website, so go ahead and check that out and comment below which look you would like to see next. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye!